Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to overdraft with Truliant, how to get overdraft for Truliant, right? This is very easy thing to do. So the very first step is contact Truliant, reach out the Truliant Federal Credit Union. Either by you can just visit the branch, call the customer service or logging into online. So this is the website, click on here, go to Google and search for Truliant, you will get this first link. And here on the left right side you can see the username and the password. You have to enter your username and the password and just click on login. Right, then what you have to do, you have to overdraft line of credit. That Truliant may offer an overdraft line of credit, which you can just go here and you will find each and everything that what service they provide. You can just even call them, which act as a backup source for funds, which when your checking account balance is insufficient, you would need to apply for this line of credit, and approval would depend on your credit worthiness. Right, some financial institutions include Truliant offers a code say pay service where they may cover transactions that exceed your account balance. There are certain limits and fees too. Then after that, you have to understand and review the policies, right? That is very important. And overdraft protection, including any fee associated with transfer or overdraft. Be aware of the terms and conditions such as repayment requirement for overdraft line, or you can say of credit of specific condition under which code say pay applies. Then you have to submit the application if applying for an overdraft line. Basically, if you're applying for it, follow the Truland application process, which may involve providing financial information, undergoing a credit check. Right, so if option for other forms of overdraft protection such as linking account or enabling, could say pay request enrollment through Truline customer service or online banking platform. Once overdraft protection is set up, monitor your account regularly to ensure you understand how it's work and avoid unexpected fees. So just by following the steps, you will able to know that how to overdraft with Truline. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.